Again, luckily for us, those storms are not our concern. That activity will continue to slide east along that warm front through Indiana into northwest Ohio. So that's where the greatest threat for severe weather remains through the night tonight. Our threat for severe weather will get in here tomorrow morning, possibly coming at us in two waves. One wave potentially in the morning and then another wave in the afternoon. Now, the key here is how long does the morning wave linger around, as it will have a direct impact on wave 2 in the afternoon. The morning stuff is a heavy rain, hail, lightning concern. I do think it could turn stormy during parts of the morning commute. We have the window beginning at 5, but if I were to narrow it down and make it more specific, I'd say anywhere probably between about 7 and 10 in the mornings when we're most likely to deal with some potential hailers, heavy rainfall, downpours, lightning, and thunder. How long does that linger? Because we need the atmosphere to recharge. I think specifically here in the metro, 1 to 4 seems to be the greatest window in and around the Cincinnati metro for round 2, which could bring the threat for a few tornadoes, especially near and southeast of Interstate 71. So from the metro southeast, that threat grows. And then, of course, that threat will end a little later the farther east you get away from the metro area. Let me show you how all of this plays out here on Futurecast tonight. One thing to note, notice this is 5 o'clock. Notice this is 7. I have seen it try to delay the onset of some of these storms. That would be good news, obviously, for the morning commute. The later, the better, right? But I do think mid-morning, again, it gets a little stormy in here. And then here comes the question marks. What type of break do we see midday into the early afternoon to allow the atmosphere to recharge? This would suggest enough that we get a line of storms likely to come through here that could have some spinning within the line of storms. So that will be what we'll watch for in the evening. Notice by 6-7, that threat is quickly wrapping up. Cooler air spills in here for a much quieter and more tame Thursday. So strong winds, the potential for hail, flooding, our primary concerns. And yes, there is the threat, low end threat there for at least maybe a tornado or two on a storm. How about this tonight? We're just short of 70 out there. It is still very mild, and I don't expect temperatures to drop much tonight because of south breezes. Those temperatures are likely to stay up there between 65 and 70 pretty much most of the night. We'll struggle to try to get down to about 63 by morning, and as you can see there are your weather impact icons. So tonight down to 63 for a low but quiet, so you'll be able to sleep easy. Storms arrive in the morning. Again, some could get going as early as 5, but recent suggestions would be that maybe it's a little bit later, maybe more mid-morning. They're kind of 7 to 10 for us. We'll keep an eye on that, but nonetheless, there's your planner with your impact icons through the day. And finally, your 7-day forecast shaking out like this. It is cooler Thursday, looking at a nice Friday, a cooler Saturday, and then maybe another potent cold front in here on Sunday that could bring not only storms, but then flurries on Monday, and nighttime temperatures lows back into the teens early next week.